Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have a Do Not Disturb mode visible. For me it's on the first page, but if you don't see it on the first one you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Once you see it, you can hold it at least the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Once you have done so, from there you can just simply tap on a toggle to enable it whenever you want to. Now depending on how you have it set, you might need to obviously turn it off manually by tapping on a toggle once more, otherwise it would be running indefinitely in the background. So if this is something that bothers you, you could change it right here, duration for quick settings, and select it on a timer, so whenever you enable it, it will then run only for the specified amount of hours, which you can increase in here. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.